it comes to a successful aerosol project, here are a few tips and tricks that are designed to give you success every time. Prep is everything. It is essential to everything that you're going to do going forward. So what you want to do first is de-wax and degrease the substrate. It's important to properly sand it, and then you need to blow it off and tack it off prior to application of your aerosols. The first thing that you want to do when you start using the aerosols is you want to make sure that you shake and agitate the can. You want to agitate it for 2 minutes until you hear the ball moving around inside the can. Once you've agitated the can for 2 minutes, prior to applying it to the actual substrate, make sure that you do a test spray on a piece of cardboard or a piece of wood prior to applying it to your actual substrate. At that point, you're ready to start the application process. Apply it to your substrate. When you're finished, invert the can and purge the tip to clean out the pickup tube, and you'll have a successful project every time. U-POL Expert Aerosols, available exclusively at AutoZone.